Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial. I'm Andrew, and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to save your presentations to Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, I'm on my computer right here, and what I'm going to do first is let's create a PowerPoint presentation. Now, let's choose something. It doesn't matter what. Let's choose art and history. Customize, and yeah, let's say this is my presentation, right? Now let's add a few more pages, and I think we are good to go. Right, so let's say this is my presentation, right? And I would like to export this as a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, right? Now you're finished. All you need to do is head over to Share, the top right hand corner, then More, and let's scroll down till you see Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, all you need to do is go ahead and click Microsoft PowerPoint and download. You will download your PowerPoint presentation, and that's all there is to it, guys. That's how easy it is to export your presentations to Microsoft PowerPoint. Guys, if you find some value in this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see much more videos coming out every week like this one.